In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color and image swatches in Shopify. This process can really help enhance the shopping experience for your customers by providing them with a visual representation of the product variations you offer. It adds a touch of professionalism and can greatly influence purchasing decisions. So, let's dive right in and make your online store a bit more vibrant and user-friendly. First, we're going to head on over to the left-hand panel of your Shopify dashboard and click on Products. This is where you'll find a list of all the products you currently have available. What we want to do next is choose the specific product that you're looking to add swatches for. Simply click on the product name, and this will take you to the product detail page where you can manage all aspects of this particular item. Once you're on the product page, you'll notice a category drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select Apparel and Accessories. This is important because it ensures that the option to add color swatches is relevant to the product type you're working with and sets the stage for our next steps. Now, we're going to focus on category meta fields. Look for the option labeled Color and select it. Meta fields in Shopify are like little pockets of extra information or settings that don't always fit within the standard product settings. By choosing Color, we're essentially telling Shopify that we want to associate specific color variations with this product. The fun part begins here, as we start selecting the color swatches you wish to add. Think about the colors that are available for this product, and simply click through to choose them one by one. This visualization helps your customers know exactly what they're getting and can help boost their confidence in making a purchase. Once you've made all your selections for the product, simply click Done. This saves your choices and allows you to move forward with setting up your variants. Next, let's navigate to the variants list for your product. You'll see an option that allows you to add different choices for the item. Click on this and then select the option to add a color meta field. This is the finishing touch and ensures that your swatches are tied directly to the product choices offered in your store. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully added color and image swatches to your Shopify products. This enhancement not only beautifies your product listings, but also provides clarity and a better shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!